Hello, my name is Kathy Ribbs. I'm the director of Mongolian Outreach, a nonprofit organization in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Mongolian Outreach provides many services in this area for the poor. We have a shelter for women and children. We have a soup kitchen that serves the disabled and women and children who have difficulty providing for themselves. And we have a kindergarten that teaches many underprivileged children basics. Last winter, because of faulty wiring, our gym was destroyed in a fire. This is a poor neighborhood where there are no parks or playgrounds, and children have no place to play.
Hi, I'm Dennis Terry. I'm here in Mongolia this summer helping Kathy with her outreach program, and we've started rebuilding the recreational facility. What we're starting with is building a foundation and a slab which will allow the kids to play basketball, volleyball, and many other outdoor team sports.
The fire just cutting this whole area, and then as I slowly worked through here, I found that this whole area was ablaze in seconds. The fire was so high and ablaze, and the firemen barely could get in here to take this fire out.
Every kid needs a safe place to play outside. We're trying to raise funds to rebuild this facility.
You may never come to Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, but your donation will help. Please help us now.